Mm, in continuation, starting with activity 9, results. Let's see, when you mix the magnesium ribbon with the hydrochloric acid, this one was really cool. Um, the ribbon, it began bubbling, and the liquid itself didn't change color, but the magnesium ribbon just basically it had a gas reaction, I guess you would call it, because there was a lot of bubbling, and then that happened. The ribbon turned white itself from the silver color, and then it just kind of dissolved. The solid completely dissolved, which obviously I think would be a chemical reaction. Number 10 was the copper and the salt. When they mixed, I believe there was a chemical reaction because the blue of the copper, it became like a yellow to this. The salt didn't dissolve completely, and I mean I don't. You spent quite a lot of time in there, but the salt kind of settled at the bottom. Where it settled, it turned yellow, and kind of that yellow turned into a gradient into the lighter blue at the top, um, which is where the copper was. And to me, that's a chemical reaction because you can see that they were not combining well. And then from number 11 was the aluminum with the copper. And with that one, it turned into like this cloudy, muddy green. That's where we put that well, it was a mixture of the salt with the aluminum in it. And the pieces of aluminum began to rust, and like dark red chunks were developed and started floating around in the solution with the and it continued to make more and more rust that would fall off of the aluminum, and more would be made. It was actually really cool too. And then number 12, the final one, was the nail with the copper, and the portion of the nail that was submerged into the copper turned a dark red color, which was rust. So the nail rusted in all the places where it came in contact with the copper. So number 11 and 12 were also chemical reactions. And for that, I have my tables here with all of the information, which I will post with the remaining lab results as well as the discussion.